Sweet, sticky, spicy and super quick, these Asian-themed omelettes are a perfect Slimming World friendly meal. Start by heating a large non-stick frying pan with a generous spray of low-calorie cooking spray and add 250 grams of extra lean pork mince. Just make sure it's 5% fat or less and keep it beautifully Slimming World friendly. Fry over a high heat for 5 minutes until it's nicely browned. Next, stir in a tablespoon of soy sauce or tamari for a savoury Asian twist. When the meat is cooked through, set it aside and keep it warm while you work on the omelette. Pour in 2 beaten eggs and gently cook for 1 minute. Add 2 spring onions and flip it over to cook the other side. Now for the fun part. Spread 1 level tablespoon of Hoisin sauce over each omelette. Top with warm pork, crunchy shredded Chinese leaf, sweet carrots, fresh chilli and fragrant coriander. Finish it all off with a little drizzle of sriracha or hot chili sauce for an extra kick. And there you have it, a colourful, satisfying plate that feels indulgent but stays perfectly on plan. Fast food the healthy way, and absolutely scrumptious.